Students, in this class we will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus. We are doing 4th chapter quadratic equations. Already 3 exercises completed. This is the 4th exercise. In that 2 sums already completed. This is the 3rd sum. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango group whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So, for the given condition, we are asked to check whether it is possible to get a quadratic equation or the roots. Okay. So, if it is possible to get the roots, then we are asked to find the length and breadth. Okay. So, for this, we will take the breadth of the mango groove is x meter. Let the breadth of the mango groove is x meter, and then it is given length is twice its breadth. So since breadth is x meter, then length of the mango groove is 2x meters. Okay. So, it is given that area of the rectangle. So, area of the rectangle is LB. LB is given as 800 meters square. That is, LB is the area of the rectangle. So, here we have taken the length as 2x and breadth as x. So, when we substitute this L and B values here, 2x into x, we will get it as 800. So, that is 2x squared is equal to 800. So, x squared is equal to 400 and x is equal to plus or minus 20. So, x is equal to plus 20 and minus 20. So, minus 20 is not possible. So, we will reject that. Why? Because negative values, we won't be getting negative values for the length, breadth and all, for the sides, for the dimensions. So, x is equal to plus 20. So, what is x? X is breadth. So, breadth is 20 meter and length is twice. So, it is 2 into 20, 40 meter. So, it is possible to design a rectangular mango groove with the given information. So, we will get the length as 40 meter and breadth as 20 meter. Ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So, we will take the age of one friend be x, the other friend is 20 minus x. Let the age of one friend be x years and age of other friend be 20 minus x years. Other friend be 20 minus x years. Then 4 years ago. So according to the question, 4 years ago. 4 years ago means x minus 4. This is the age of one friend and 20 minus x minus 4. So 20 minus x minus 4. So these are the ages of those two friends 4 years ago. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So, when you find the product of this, their age is 48. This is the question. So, this is x years is age of one friend. 20 minus x is the age of other friend. Why? Because the sum of their ages is given as 20 years. So, 4 years ago. So, for both of them, 4 years will be less. So, x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4. So, the product is given as 48. So, one is x minus 4. The other one is 16 minus x. That is equal to 48. So, this has to be simplified and check whether we are getting value of x. It's whether it is possible they are asking. First, we have to check whether it is possible. So, when you multiply this, it will be 16x minus 64 minus x squared plus 4x is equal to 48. So 16x plus 4x is 20x. So minus x squared plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 is equal to 0. So this one minus x squared plus 20x minus 112 is equal to 0. So when you find the sum of this 8 plus 4, 12, 112. So we'll get a quadratic equation x squared minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Okay, so first we will check whether roots exist for this by using b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so when we check this b squared minus 4ac, b squared minus 4ac, when you substitute the values of all these things, a value is 1 here, b is minus 20, c is 112. So if it is equal to 0 or greater than 0, if you are getting only, we will get the real roots. So b squared is minus 20 the whole square minus 4 into a into c. So this one is 400 minus 112 into 4. You will get 448. So minus 448. So this is equal to, we will get the discriminant as minus 48. So the roots are not possible for the given quadratic equation. So the following situation is not possible. That is the answer for this. You have to write it like this. The given situation. The following situation, the given situation is not possible. Is not possible. Why? Because the discriminant is less than 0. You are getting negative value for the discriminant. So there won't be exist any roots. Okay. Now next is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So first we have to check whether it is possible. If it is possible, we are asked to find the length and breadth of it. Okay, so now we'll take, let the length of the park be, let the length of the park be x meter and breadth is y meter. Okay, so perimeter is given as 80 meter. So perimeter, so what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B is given as 80 meter. So 2 into L is x plus breadth is given as y. That is equal to 80. So x plus y is equal to 40. So we can take y is equal, x plus y is equal to 40. So we will consider this one. Then we will take area. Area is equal to LB. So area is given as LB is given as 400 meters square. So what is L? L is x meter and breadth is y meter is equal to 400. So here in this, we can take this y is equal to 400 by x. So y value, we got it as 400 plus x. So that y value, we will be substituting here in this. So x plus y value is 400 by x is equal to 40. So now we will simplify this. So this is x squared plus 400 is equal to 40x. So this one, we'll take LCM for this, we'll get x squared plus 400. This x when we cross multiply, we'll get 40x. So x squared minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Okay, so if we find the discriminant of this, we will check whether we are getting the real roots or not. So for finding that, b squared minus 4ac we will check. So b squared is 40, 40 the whole square minus 4 into a into c value is 400. So this one is b squared minus 4ac. So b squared is 1600. 40 squared is 40 into 40 is 1600 minus this one is 4 into 400 is 1600. So we are getting 0. So b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0 we are getting. So if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, there exists two equal real roots. So here, using the splitting the middle terms, we can find the values of x. So 1 is 20 into 20 if we take. One value is 20, the other value is 20. 20 into 20 is 400 and 20 plus 20 is 40. So we will get minus for this. So minus into minus plus 20 into 20 is 400 and minus 20 minus 20 is minus 40. This is equal to 0. So x into x minus 20 plus 400 is equal to 0. So x minus 20 if we want, we will take minus 20 outside. So x is equal to 20 and 20. So we get x values as 20 and 20. So the length we have taken it as x. So that is 20 meter and breadth is 2x. So 20 into breadth is taken as y. So if you are substituting y here, y values here. Length we got it as 20. Breadth value we have taken it as y. So that y if you substitute it here in this. So length we got it as 20 meter. So x plus 20 is equal to 40. So x value will also be, x value is only given as, we got it as 20. So y value will also be 20. Y is equal to 40 minus 20. So y is also 20. So y is nothing but breadth. So breadth is also 20 meters. So it is possible for the given situation to design a rectangular form. So after that we consider that after finding that it is possible, we are finding the value of length and breadth for the given rectangular block. So length is 20 meter and breadth is 20 meter. So with this I am completing today's class. So the whole chapter quadratic equations is over in this class. From the next class I will be doing the next chapter, new chapter I will be doing. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.